This is a hookup. This is a one-night stand. What's the difference? A hookup is a casual physical encounter that can happen multiple times with some level of familiarity. A one-night stand is a single physical encounter that both people know from the start will never happen again. This is ghosting. This is breadcrumbing. What's the difference? Ghosting is suddenly cutting off all communication without any explanation and completely disappearing. Breadcrumbing is not fully committing, but dropping just enough attention to keep you hooked without any real intention.
This is a saving. This is an investing. What's the difference? A saving is setting money aside safely for future needs. And investing is putting money to work now so it grows significantly over time. This is an asset. This is a liability. What's the difference? An asset is anything that puts money directly into your pocket over time. A liability is anything that continuously takes money straight out of your pocket instead.
This is leggings. This is tights. What's the difference? Leggings are thicker and usually made for comfort, workouts, or casual wear, while tights are thinner and designed to be worn under dresses or skirt.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This is hit. This is blockbuster. What's the difference? Hit means a movie that successfully makes a profit. Blockbuster means a massive movie that breaks box office records.
This is a shooter. This is a scorer. What's the difference? A shooter excels at making long-range jump shots. A scorer finds ways to put the ball in the basket from anywhere on the court.
A few moments later.
This is a credit card. This is a debit card. What's the difference? A credit card is borrowing money now and pay it back later. A debit card is spending only what you actually have in your account.
This is an SUV. This is a CUV. What's the difference? An SUV, or sport utility vehicle, uses a rugged, heavy-duty truck frame for towing and off-roading. A CUV, or crossover utility vehicle, uses a lighter car frame for better fuel economy and a smoother ride. This is a sports car. This is a GT. What's the difference? A sports car is small, lightweight, and built for sharp handling and pure performance on winding roads. A GT or Grand Tourer is larger and more luxurious, designed for comfortable, high-speed travel over long distances.
That man's an imposter.
This is British. This is English. What's the difference? British people come from the UK, while English people come specifically from England. This is Hispanic. This is Latino. What's the difference? Hispanic refers to Spanish-speaking origins, while Latino refers to Latin American origins.
Okay.
This is African. This is African American. What's the difference? Africans live in Africa, while African Americans are Americans with African ancestry.
Please like and subscribe.